This is a video demonstration of the Pro Payments QuickBooks module Accounts Payable feature. To pay a bill for a vendor, simply go to Customers, select Pro Payments, and then select Pay Bills by ACH. Note this is an ACH transaction. It will be an electronic checking transaction, so you'll need to speak with your ProPay representative about having an ACH account. If you do, though, paying a vendor is no different than charging a customer. Simply select the vendor. It will automatically pull open the total amount owed across all of their bills. You can select specific bills from this drop down here, and you'll see that the dollar amount changes to whatever is owed for that particular bill. You can do partial payments as well by changing the dollar amount. And the description, which may be a part of your custom email receipts, can also be modified as well. The vendor address and information that goes along with it was automatically pulled from this vendor's record inside of QuickBooks. You can make changes to this data. For instance, there's no phone number here, so we can add one right now. And then when we go to process the transaction, we can check this box at the top that says Update Vendor Record. Whatever changes we've made to this data will be permanently saved back to this vendor's record for a permanent change. Or we can uncheck this box, and whatever changes we've entered will only be used for this one-time transaction. Then we're ready to process our payment. We can enter a routing number and account number, as well as the name on the account. Again, this is a checking account. Then we'll select our account holder type, business or personal, the account type, checking or savings, and then also the SEC code, which is the type of transaction you're processing. There could be several that you have access to. You'll need to speak with your ProPay representative for more information about this feature. In this case, we'll select TEL, which would be for a telephone authorized transaction. And now we're ready to process the payment. Lastly, though, we do have one more option. We do have the ability to tokenize this payment information. We can save the checking account information for Al Bundy so that the next time we go to pay him, we won't need to enter this information. It will automatically be stored. I'll show you what that looks like in a moment, but in this case, I'm not going to process the transaction with the safe. I'm simply going to use it for this one-time information. At this point, we're ready to process, so we just click the button that says Process and Close. The payment is processed in real time, and it will show us that the transaction was successful and shows us the transaction ID as well. After we click OK, it will save this record to the vendor inside of QuickBooks, and we'll see how that was applied. We can go to the vendor center, take a look at Al Bundy, and then here we can see these are the bills, and here is the bill payment for that as well. There was 2 bills entered and 1 payment for $10 applied to that vendor. For more information about accounts payable and how it can work for your business, contact your Pro Payments representative.